5. We're there for you. ABC4 News at 4 starts now.
Thanks for joining us on ABC4 News at 4. I'm Courtney Johns.
And I'm Emily Flores. We do begin this afternoon with a rescue underway at this hour. Search and rescue has been scouring the mountains for hours at this point, working to save a skier swept up in an avalanche in Neff's Canyon.
ABC4's Allie Arulian is live at Neff's Canyon. Allie, you've been getting updates throughout this rescue. What do we know now?
Yeah, so officials are telling me that skier has been stuck 2 miles into the mountain for over 5 hours now in an avalanche that's 200 feet wide and up to 3 feet deep. Now, officials say the only reason that he was found is because an off-duty unified firefighter was recreating on the mountain and he heard the skier's cries for help and found him buried up to his chest in snow. Now, that was at about 11:30 a.m. this morning. Officials saying the skier had been stuck there since 10:45. The firefighter dug the skier out, but now the difficult part is getting the skier off the mountain and to the hospital to treat him for a broken femur, an injured arm, and hypothermia. Officials say their main concern for Salt Lake County Search and Rescue and Utah Avalanche Center is making sure they don't trigger another avalanche while trying to rescue the skier. And in terms of preventing more avalanches, injuries, and even deaths, Unified Police has a message for backcountry skiers.
I'd like to just say don't, but we know people are going to. Be very aware that that risk is there. There have been multiple avalanches in Salt Lake County over the last few days.
Now, we do know that the skier had a friend with him on the mountain, but officials telling me that if it wasn't for that off-duty firefighter, that skier may not have been found on the mountain alive. I'll keep you updated for more on ABC4 News at 5. Reporting live in Salt Lake County, I'm Allie Arulian, ABC4 News.